आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, question says that let A11, B is 235 and C is -102. So we have given three coordinates. So 3 points are there. Then we have to tell the equation of a plane parallel to the plane ABC, which is at a distance 2. So we have given that there are two planes. Let's say this is the plane 1 and this is the plane 2, and they are saying that these two planes are at a distance of 2 units from each other. This is at the distance of 2 units from each other, and one of the plane is actually a triangle. So we can say that let us make it as a triangle. So the other plane that we have is a triangle. So this is, let's say this is the triangle ABC. Now the distance of this plane that we need to find out is 2 units from the plane that is our triangle. So we have given that the equation of the plane, let's say we denote this plane with pi letter. So this pi plane, we have to find the equation of this pi plane, and we have given that this plane is parallel to the plane ABC and it is at a distance of 2 units. So we can find out the equation of this plane. Equation of plane ABC. Now since the coordinates are not proportional to each other, we can say that the points are not collinear, and hence we have formed a triangle here. So by using non-collinear points to find out the equation of plane, we know the Cartesian form of the plane passing through three non-collinear points is given as x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. This is determinant, and this is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, and z3 minus z1 is equals to 0, where x1, y1, z1 are the coordinates of the first point, x2, y2, z2 for the second point, and x3, y3, z3 for the corresponding third point, that is the point C. Now we will put the values over here. So x minus x1 that we have, x1, y1, z1 is 1, 1, 1. So this will be 1, this will be 1, and this will be 1. Now the coordinates of B are 2, 3, 5. So this will be 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, and 5 minus 1. And the coordinates of C are minus 1, 0, 2. So this will be minus 1, minus 1. And this was 0 and 2. So this is 0 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. Now this is mod. This is determinant x minus 1, y minus 1, z minus 1. And this is 1. This is minus 2. This is plus 2. This is minus 1. This is 4. This is 1 is equals to 0. Now if we expand this determinant along row number 1. So this will give along row 1, this will be x minus 1 multiplied with 2. This will be minus minus plus 4. So 2 plus 4 will give 6 here. This will be minus y minus 1. So minus of y minus 1 will be plus of 1 minus y. In the multiplication it is 1 minus 4 times 2, that is 8. So this is minus minus plus 1 plus 8, that is 9, and plus z minus 1, this is minus 1, and this is minus minus plus 4. So that will give minus 1 plus 4, that is plus 3 is equals to 0. And on solving this we will be getting the equation of the plane. 6x minus 6, this is 9 minus 9y, and this is 3z minus 3 is equals to 0. So we have 6x minus 9y plus 3z. This is 9 minus 6 plus 3, and plus 3 and minus 3 will be 0. So this is the equation of triangle ABC, or we can say equation of the plane that is a triangle. Now it is given that the plane pi that we have let is parallel to the plane ABC. Now if two planes are parallel, that means the normal to the plane ABC will also be a normal to the plane pi. That means if a line is perpendicular to the plane ABC, then that line will also be perpendicular to the plane pi because they are parallel to each other. So we know by considering this equation, the normal vector can be find as, let us denote the normal vector as n vector. So the normal vector have the coordinates, we know x coordinate, y coordinate and z coordinate. So this is the vector 6i cap minus 9j cap plus 3k cap. Now this normal vector is also the normal vector for the plane pi. So in order to find the equation of the plane pi, we have obtained the normal vector. Now we have to find out one of the point that lies on the plane pi. So the other information that we have given is that the triangle ABC is at a distance of 2 units from the plane pi. So there must be any point that lies on the plane pi. Let's say this is the point we denoted as PQR. So this point must have a distance, minimum distance to the triangle ABC, that is the plane ABC. So we know how to find a point that is at a distance from a plane. So distance of a point from a plane is given as D is equals to AX1 plus BY1 plus CZ1 minus D divided by under root A square plus B square plus C square, where AX plus BY plus CZ minus D is the Cartesian equation of the given plane, and x1, y1, z1 denotes the point from which we want to find the distance of the given plane. So we have given distance is 2, and the plane that we have obtained the equation of the plane is 6x minus 9y plus 3z. This is 6x minus 9y plus 3z. So this is divided by, now we have the point PQR, so we can put it here in the place of x1, y1, z1. So this is PQ and R point that we have let on the plane pi. Now under root of, this is 6 square 36 minus 9 square is 81, and C that is 3 square that is 9. So this will give 6p minus 9q plus 3r, and this addition will be under root 126, which is equals to 2. Now when we open this modulus, this will become plus minus 2. So we have two cases when this is plus 2 and when it is minus 2. So let us consider the two cases here. So when it is plus 2, this is 6p minus 9q plus 3r over under root 126 can be written as, this is under root 14, 3 under root 14. And similarly for the other case, it is 6p minus 9q plus 3r divided by 3 under root 14. So let us solve these two cases simultaneously. This is We can take 3 common from here. So this will be 2p minus 3q plus r divided by, now this will be 3 here. That 3 will cancel out with the 3 in the denominator, and we have under root 14 here is equals to 2. And similarly, for the other case, this will be 2p minus 3q plus 3r divided by under root 14. Now, the final step that we have, this will be 2p minus 3q plus r is equals to 2 under root 14, or we can write it as by taking it in the left hand side. So this is minus equals to 0. And similarly, if we solve for this, this will be 2p minus 3q plus 3r, and this will be plus 2 under root 14 is equals to 0. So we have got two equations from here. Now, PQR is any random point on the plane pi. So we can say that if PQR satisfies this equation, then any random point on the plane will satisfy this equation. So we can take any random point as x, y, z. So this will give the equation of plane pi on putting the random points. So this will be equation 2x plus, this is 2x minus 3y plus z minus 2 under root 14 is equals to 0. Or we can have the equation 2x minus 3y plus, this is also, let me correct it, this is also r, and this is also r, by taking 3 common. So we have 2x minus 3y and r will be replaced with z plus 2 under root 14 is equals to 0. So we can say that we can have two equations for the plane pi. So let us look at the options that we have. So the option number A, which says 2x minus 3y plus z plus 2 under root 14 is equals to 0, is one of the equation of plane. That is the second case that we have. So we can say that we have given one of the plane. So option number A is correct. Also, there must be minus 2 root 14. So we can say that out of the two given planes, we have given one of the plane in the given option. So option number A is correct. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।